Hello everyone, welcome to my channel, Summer's Fantasy. In this video, I will show you how to write horizontal stroke. Hope you can learn it and practice. Okay, let's start. Now, I will show you how to write a Chinese character, Zheng. In this character, there are 3 horizontal strokes, so you can see how the strokes form this character. In regular script, horizontal stroke is lower on the left end and higher on the right end. When writing regular script, the most important thing is to draw 2 circles on both ends. Now I will show you a wrong way to do it. The shape looks similar, but it doesn't fit Chinese calligraphy philosophy. I'm going to show you a correct way to write it. First, draw a circle on the end of the stroke, and then draw the circle on the other end. In order to show the beauty of the stroke, it's better to write thicker on both ends and thinner in the middle. Now I will demonstrate again how to write the horizontal stroke. A circle on the left end and another circle on the right end. Now I will show you how to write short stroke. It's the same way of writing long stroke, but just less thinner and thicker changing. Now we use 1 short stroke and 1 long stroke to form a Chinese character, a number 2. Now we use 2 short strokes and 1 long stroke to form another Chinese character, number 3. Now I will demonstrate again the character I wrote in the beginning of the video, Zheng, which has 3 horizontal strokes. Okay, this is today's tutorial. Please click like if you found this video useful, and please subscribe my channel for more Chinese calligraphy tutorial. Please check my Instagram and Etsy website for more Chinese calligraphy work. Thank you for watching.